Hey, sir, Officer Balsam. What are you doing, man?
Only 140, I'm continuing.
I'm
Just let me know if you look good when you
in
get
this
there.
car. I'm trying to pass it emissions.
Okay.
Making sure the check engine doesn't
So
pop
you're going at least 90 on PIB.
I was going 90?
You're going at least
I
90.
thought I was going 80, honestly, which is still high, but I was trying to just get a check engine light. I was trying to accelerate quick more than going fast. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I didn't really go.
Sit tight, I'll be right back. 161, 1027 through Georgia. 161. It's going to be 059 026 693. Repeating 059 026 693. He's going to jail.
Anyone else?
No, just one. Hey, step out of the car for me.
Yes, sir. Need the bill of sale for you.
No, just step out of the car.
Yes, sir.
Just turn around.
Go ahead, put your hands behind your back.
Oh,
You're under arrest.
for what? For what?
Reckless driving.
Let's try it.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Yes.
This your car?
Yeah, I own a car dealership.
Okay. Where?
Snellville, Georgia.
Snellville?
North Georgia Auto Brokers.
Okay.
Well, are y'all seriously arresting me?
Yes. You don't get to go 90 in a 45 mile per hour.
Yeah, I was just trying to test the car for emissions. I was just trying to test the car for emissions. Can I at least call somebody and pick up the car?
161, 1 mile 1095.
Can I at least pick up someone to pick up the car?
Yeah. Go ahead, spread your legs for me.
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything on your pockets like the poke sticker stab me?
No, I have a phone, I have a wallet, I have cookies are actually in the car, I have a vape. That's about it. Can I get somebody to pick up the car at least?
Yeah, we can place that phone call. I'll let you make that phone call.
Yes, sir.
Who are you going to call and where are they coming from?
I'm going to try and call my girlfriend. Hey, Marina. She's actually on the phone right now. If you could turn it up for me, please.
Yeah, let me sit you down real fast.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Go here.
That's crazy. Y'all really arresting me for this?
Yeah, go 95 and the 45.
I was literally testing the car for emissions.
Bro, you don't.
Trying to bring up
Please don't stop with that, okay? You're not driving 95 miles per hour. It was almost 100 miles per hour, and just to drive a car. There's no way. There's other ways to test a car.
I mean,
come on, you have it. You have a dealership. You know this.
Yeah.
Exactly. So don't say that you're gonna drive 100 miles per hour just to test drive a car. There's no way.
Accelerate.
Do you need to turn the mic off?
No, turn it back on. Yeah, and then just turn the volume up.
Okay, volume's all the way up.
Hey, Marina.
Yeah.
Hey, I need someone to pick my car up. I'm going to jail.
What do you mean?
They're arresting me for this.
Why?
I don't know. Apparently reckless driving, but I don't know, bro. Can you call like Michael or someone? I think they're in the area.
Okay.
Please.
Can I come?
Yeah, you could come. It's the Goodwill. I think you might have passed it.
Goodwill off of PIB.
Goodwill off of PIV.
Okay, I'll call someone.
All right. Thank you.
I'm gonna hang up for right now.
All right.
Do you mind waiting around for her? I guess I should have called and gotten the ETA, but I think they were like close by. He was the one who was racing, and I'm almost certain, or he wasn't racing, but I'm almost certain she was behind him going the speed limit.
Ask him how far they are, because we're not sitting here.
Yeah. Your dad's calling.
Hey, Dad. What's up?
انت البوليس موقفك ولا حاجه؟
Yeah.
البوليس موقفك؟
Yeah.
يا اخي بتلامك وانت سايق؟
Yeah.
يا حبيبي. فين الحته بالظبط؟
Goodwill.
فين؟
Goodwill.
جود فين الحته ده؟
Goodwill off of PIV. Peachtree Industrial Boulevard.
يا حبيبي. هو هيعمل لك تيست طبعا وهيعرف ان انت دي
لا انا راح
161
ما تقولش كده.
Go for 161.
Yeah.
10-4, stand by.
طب انت هنعمل ايه دلوقتي؟
اروح السجن مش عارف اعمل ايه.
خلاص قالوا لك هتروح السجن في الشهور
يا انا في العربية.
Is that your girlfriend?
بتاعت البوليس.
Yeah. No, that's actually not. I'm not sure who that is. Oh, actually I think that might be my cousin, but
Okay.
yeah, انا في العربية بتاعت البوليس.
Okay. I gotta go ahead and hang up and talk to them. Okay.
لازم يقفل التليفون بالأوضة.
ماشي.
ماشي.
طب العربية هياخدوها فين؟ هيودوا
أنا هخلي مايكل يجي يشيلها دلوقتي.
طيب يلا باي.
ماشي خلاص.
Hey, how are y'all doing? Okay, so right now
He's getting arrested for reckless driving.
For reckless driving?
he was
Is there
going.
anybody in the car with him? The girl?
No, just him. He was going at least 90 on this road.
90?
Going
Yes,
90?
he was just flying down PIB.
Is he okay?
Okay,
He's okay. He has someone coming to pick him up. Were you guys with him tonight?
Yeah,
No,
yeah, I was with him, but I'm not sure what. Can you
Okay.
speak to me real quick, if you don't mind?
Do you have mind to talk very quick?
Yeah.
What's going on?
In a second.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, cool. Someone come pick up the car? You say someone's coming.
He called his girlfriend, but if you guys.
No, we can take
Yeah, we
the
can take
car.
it
Yeah,
from-
yes.
Okay, so which one of you guys is going to be driving?
I'll drive it.
Okay. Was he drinking tonight or no?
No.
Because I'm trying to understand why he's just flying down the road.
No, it's a fast car.
Okay.
I know that's why.
What's your phone one? Or I'll call him.
No, I'm on the phone with him.
Oh, okay. Okay,
And
which one?
why he's driving with a dealer tag in the
He owns a car dealership.
Yeah, but just a paper tag, that's not valid, right?
Not sure.
Yeah, if he owns a car dealership, he needs to have a dealer
Oh,
tag,
he needs a dealer tag?
not a test drive tag.
That doesn't mean anything.
Doesn't?
Alright, which one of you guys is going to be driving the vehicle?
I'm going to drive it.
Okay, so I am going to need your license real fast.
Sure.
Just because I'm relinquishing control of the vehicle over to you.
Yeah, yeah.
He wanna be so bad, so.
Huh?
He wanna be so bad.
He wanted what?
Be. Go number one.
He's gonna have to wait. He's gonna have to wait. Okay? Well, he was driving somewhere, so I don't think it was that bad. You know, just now that he's in handcuffs, now he wants to pee, so he could have stopped somewhere on the way, you know, if he needed to use the restroom real bad. But now he's gonna have to wait until we finish.
كلام كويس ما تقطعش عينه.
فتح الباب عشان
خليك فتح عينيك على طول ها.
Yeah, he'll take everything. Should take everything.
He advised on the VIN, right?
Yeah, it's the negative 1029 out of California.
What's your food one?
Do you have the wallet as well?
No, send some pictures in case he ran from anybody else.
The wallet? Is there a wallet as well?
No, there was just a phone and his ID. I didn't see a wallet.
Maybe it's in the car. You can
No,
check
yeah,
it.
the wallet's in the passenger seat.
Okay,
of the
so
vehicle.
he can spend the night in the jail? He'll be out.
No, he probably get out.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be a couple hours.
Couple
It
hours?
might even be 1 hour.
Okay.
Right. It's
Depending how
just-
busy they are too.
It's going to be 2 misdemeanors, right? Reckless driving and driving with an unregistered vehicle. There's 2 misdemeanors. You'll probably be out in an hour, 2 hours maybe.
Okay.
Right. The biggest thing is you can't be going 90 on this road. So
Okay. So هتروح له معاه ولا تروح وراه؟ عشان هو قدامه ساعة
لا
ساعة
لا لا كده ده ساعة ساعتين دي 3 4 ساعات 5 ساعات يعني مش كده.
And you own the dealer with him?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
It's just his father.
hey, I'm going to go ahead and write what I need to write. If you want to go ahead and take the vehicle,
Okay,
you're
sure.
good to go.
I'll take it.
Everyone's good to go.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, yeah, it's 1 hour. It's 1 hour.
Thank you. I just made. Come get me. That much? Just call me. I'll call. Well, I'll see you. What we got?
Do you still live in Buford? 2870 Drayton Hall Drive. You said they advised on the van, right?
They did out of California.
Yeah, it is. Well, yeah. Ah. No, it's not. What year is the vehicle? Okay, there we go. I got it.
Call for.
Yeah, I appreciate you sticking around. I'll be done. Nice.
You need anything else, man?